So, okay, what is after you?
So I want to go and check my trap. Jesus! I saw a big lion under a tree. Before I knew it, that started chasing me.
Jesus. Bro, this village is trying to something else.
I don't know.
Can you imagine? The other day I went to check my own trap. I saw a big alligator.
Alligator? In this village?
In this village, as I'm telling you.
My brother, we are finished.
This village is turning to something else.
Where are we going? Where are we heading to?
Only God.
What a wicked one! What a wicked one! What your mother noifa? Look at my sweat. Look at my hard-earned money. Languishing just like that. God. God. All my shops in Lagos crumbled. My warehouse was set ablaze. My business partners in the overseas, they all left me. God, who did I offend? Who did I do wrong? Have I done anything wrong? God. God, I can't bear this shame any longer. I can't bear it. I can't bear it. God, I cannot be in this condition. No. I cannot be in this calamity. I can't. God, look at me. Look at me. Ojo Sisi one is now a Paiwan Tapa. I'm a Buaku and Metezunku God. A Paiwan Tapa.
The reason why I called for this meeting here is for us to put an end to our predicaments. Look at us all. None of us here can boast of having seen the 4 walls of the university. Is it that we're not brilliant or what?
We are.
Our sisters are rotting in our parents' home. Is it that they are not beautiful or good materials?
They are very beautiful.
We must find an end to this. Our land is cursed.
Our land is not cost. Our land is not cost. Is it not someone or some people that is the cause of this? I think
this guy is right.
It is the same thing. But the point is that the future of this land is being held somewhere. And we need to put an end to this.
Bam.
Look. If we sit here dragging all this from night to tomorrow, we will end up achieving nothing. The question is, what do we do to put all this to an end?
Girls, enough is enough. I don't know if any one of you is feeling what I'm feeling here. I mean, look at us. Just take a very good look at each and every one of us. None of us here is less than 35 years. By the issue of right, we are supposed to be in our husbands' houses with our husbands and our kids. What is happening? I mean, it's time to take the bull by the horn. Or what do you think?
Choma,
Yes?
we've talked about this for years now.
So?
And we've not been able to come up with a solution. I am tired. If it is the will of God for me to remain a Spencer, so be it.
God forbid.
God
God can never wish such for us.
God forbid. We can never remain a spinster.
Shoma, something is wrong somewhere.
And that thing is the reason we are here.
So what do we do?
We will go to Ebubedike. Wow. The great chief priest of Amadioha. He is the only man to deliver our land and free us from this curse.
Izuchukwu, Mwakachukwu, Obna Mamalo eba Abong idiot. Abong you are a suman. I'm expecting you to say that you should go and consult a man of God. You are talking another issue that you should go and consult a native doctor in this land, so that he will come and spoil the more and more.
Tell them.
Which man of God?
Prophet Elijah is a very strong man of God.
Yes.
And I know of a friend that can help us bring him. What it can only cost us is just transport money.
In that case, go and make inquiries on what it will take us to bring Prophet Elijah here.
I will call down my friend and find out from him.
I think it's a good start. But one more thing. I think all of us here should make it secret before the man of God comes.
You have a point there. You have a point there.
Yes.
You have a point. In that case, any objection?
Oh.
Nobody have anything to say?
Izuchukwu, my fellow youths. I think he is right.
Oh.
Inviting a native doctor is unlike using a hot water to dilute a hot water. It will worsen the whole situation. I think the best thing we should do is to invite a man of God.
Yes.
To come and cleanse this land and liberate us.
Oh.
I think Elijah, our brother now, the one that was banished. Okay, Elijah have been performing miracles in different communities, liberating some other communities. Why not invite him? Let him come and liberate us as well.
True.
That's my own suggestion.
I have something to say. I think I'm in support of what Chidozie said. Instead of bringing the native doctor that will take us from frying pan to fire, why can't you just bring in the man of God?
Oh.
That will help us out.
Okay. If you know that you are in support of we, bringing in a man of God, instead of the great Ebubedike, the only man that sees and tells tomorrow, raise up your hand.
Ejegenjeya. Ejegenjeya. Amen. Ijele.
Hey, alele.
Amen. Ejegenjeya. Amen. Tai. Ijele.
Lele.
Ijele. Ejegenjeya.
This settles it. This settles it. This settles it. We will go to Ebubedike.
Who will bring in Ebubedike?
Yes.
Wow. We will bring a Bedike. He's the only man that can save our land and free us from this curse.
I've said my own.
We'll go to Bedike.
They have plan. They have
We will bring in a Bedike. Yes.
It's unfair.
We'll go to him.
It's unfair.
Yes.
Messi, don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me. Don't tell me anything. Don't tell me anything. Don't call me.
Listen to me. Can you just cool down and listen to me for once?
And listen to you for what? How can you also support them to bring a native doctor?
Listen to me. Can you just cool down and listen to me?
And listen to what?
Okay. Though that I didn't raise up my hand, but I'm not in support. I'm not in support of them bringing a Bedike in.
But why didn't you raise your hand?
It might lead us to doom. I'm not in support of them bringing a Bedike.
Then why didn't you raise your hand? But when I was tapping you to raise your hand so that they will bring in a man of God, why didn't you raise your hand then?
But I'm not in support of them bringing a Bedike in.
Are you sure that you are not in support of that?
I'm not in support of it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. You have to. You have to know what I'm capable of doing.
Okay, that means you and I are not going to Bedike's house.
Who is going?
You know what that means? Our legs will not cross there.
Exactly.
Let them go on their own and take the course upon themselves.
They are on their own already.
I'm sorry, I'm not shouting, just that I don't like all the fetish things. Let's go, I beg.
Alright, no problem.
Let them go on their own.
Hey, yoga. Hey!
Youth of Okono, the solution you seek for lies here. The question is, can you pay the price?
Great one. We are prepared and ready to do anything.
Great one. Tell us the requirements. Who will bring them?
Great one. We will do anything.
Hey. To come and liberate your land and free your people from the curse your forefathers brought on you. You will bring the following: 1 white he-goat, white cock, 7 tubers of yam, 7 kola nuts, and lastly, the head of a virgin boy.
Sister, where is Nasa and Brother Meza?
Brother Meza went to their 8th grade meeting. Why Sister Mercy went to see a friend?
Okay.
I don't know why they're not yet back.
Okay. My sister, please get me my drugs.
Your drugs has finished. There is no money to buy another drugs for you.
No, my sister. I'll be strong, yeah? I can cope.
I know you'll be strong, bro. What kind of situation is this? God, please help us now. You my brother for me. Sorry. Brother, where are you? My brother is seriously dying in pain every day. Nobody to take him to the hospital and buy drugs for him. God, why us? Okay.
This one that you are sitting here all alone, I hope there is no problem.
There is problem, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it not getting better?
Not at all, oh. The condition is getting worse, though.
Don't worry, eh? He will be better, okay? And nothing will happen to him.
Pray, oh, nothing will happen to my brother.
You know what, eh? Just go inside and get your rubber. Let's go and fetch water, eh?
I'm not going anywhere.
Why?
I'm not going anywhere.
Why?
I can't leave my brother go anywhere.
Okay, don't worry.
My brother, Beja and his Amadi, they are not around.
Don't worry. We'll see you later, okay?
Okay, now. Later, eh?
Thank you. My brother, for you. We'll let them follow.
Afternoon, how are you? I guess you are coming from my house. Why is Ogechi not with you people?
Ogechi is at home.
Doing what?
She said that she can't leave boyfriend all alone.
What? You don't even have a little drop of water in my house, and she's saying she will not go with you. Let's go back so that she will go with you people to the stream. Let's go back.
Mba, not me. I will never be part of this. Killing an innocent child, all in the name of liberation. For what?
Izuchukwu, as early as possible. Let's go and consult a man of God who can come in this land and make peace. You said that we should go and consult who can come in this land and create more problems in this land. Don't you people know what you are doing? I want to understand something. Is it true? Is it true you're looking at me? Why? You're both looking at me. Is it true? Ikene? Is it true that Ebubedike demanded for a human head?
And what is wrong with that?
No, everything is wrong, and nothing is wrong.
It's very simple.
I wonder. Okay, it is very simple. As it is so simple that I'm not part of it. Are you hearing me? I cannot take part to it. Because as far as I'm concerned, this will bring more calamity. It will cause more harm than good. Eh? We said it earlier. Please, if you guys are still here, I can't be here. I am what? Going. I beg. When I do well.
Will you come back here? I'm here hiding. Come and that for me that them know him. Nah, no.
Wait. Did you just call me? Okay, I'm here. Tell me why you're calling me. Just tell me why you're calling me. Huh? They're calling me to come back and join you. To conspire with you. Huh? To plan with you. I kill an innocent child. Look at both of you. Youth. Like father, like son. That's what you are. I can't do it. Whoa. I can't do it. My hands, my eyes, my nose, my legs. I did not even hear it. I wasn't even here when you were discussing it. I'm not even here. I'm going. Guys, they're looking at me. I'm not interested. You can proceed if you like. And if you come and I'm going to just check you. Go. Tell them. I am going. I am going. Do it.
Go. You see, I said it. I said that a Ebubedike of a man will lead from frying pan to fire. I will never be part of taking someone else's life. I'm going now. Idiot.
Welcome, boy.
Idiot. Oh, we see.
Come on. If you just to cut somebody's head, now you're here, your body.
The problem is that I don't have money to contribute. But since I don't have money to contribute, it's better for me to go.
Okay, we are people. Okay,
you all know that my brother is very sick and it's time for him to take his medication. So I must be on my way right now.
Allow him to go. Let him go. Now, the boys has been separated from the men. Do you understand? Guys, come close.
God, what is really going on? Me take part in killing an innocent virgin boy. God forbid. I will never try it. What right did I have to take somebody's life? God, touch the heart of my friends. Give them conscience and direct focus. They are heading to destruction. Ogechi. Come.
Brother, you called me?
Yes. Take this money, run to Nurse Eliza and buy Ifani's drugs.
Brother, thank you.
Be careful with the money.
Can this
There's
money
no
get
other
the
money in
drugs?
this house. Be careful. Be careful.
Where is your slippers now? And where are you running to? Who is after you? Who is after you now? Who is after you?
Forget the slippers. He's my brother. My brother Ifan is seriously sick. I want to get drugs for him.
Hey, how is him now?
I don't even know they want to say whether he's getting better or he's critical. I don't even know they want to even follow self. Where are you going to?
To your house, of course.
It's only God that is in control. Let's go now, please. Let's go together so that I can get the drugs.
Please.
Everybody can wear. I see you marching like a soldier. It's all well. All is not well. All is not well. Why? What happened?
What happened? The youth are serious in finding a way out to their problems. Tell Ichi Okeke, I'm going to Igwe's palace to tell him by myself.
Try to block them, frustrate them. Don't let this happen.
I'll block them because I know that the whole items I told them to bring, they cannot bring it.
Good. Let's do that.
Leave them for me. I'll know what to do.
Okay, okay. Come. Since I go in, I didn't between. I met a Vedike and he delivered the message.
What did he say?
He said our youth are seriously searching for the solution.
Bam. And what is going to do about it?
I told him to block them, frustrate them before these boys will finish us in this village.
He has to, otherwise we are finished. He has to. Can't we see Igwe?
And he told me that he's rushing to Igwe palace immediately to inform him.
Okay, he has gone to Igwe already?
Yes.
Fine. So we're also going to meet Igwe. We're going to go to Igwe palace to tell him to.
And another thing is, you see what he told them to offer? That they cannot afford it.
He says so?
He says so.
It will give us time to reorganize again. That is good. What happened? Okay, you can be going, Let me go back.
It depends on you. If you want it now, we'll go now.
I will come to your house, then we'll go to Igwe.
Bam.
Mazukode, I wonder what is still keeping Ezemo.
I should ask. The way he sent for me, that I should appear immediately without wasting time. I thought by this time he might. Oh!
I'm not Ezemo, you're welcome. You're highly welcome. We have been here how long waiting for you.
You sent for me. Hope all is well.
All is not well. All is not well. The youth are serious in finding a way out to their misery.
This is time. We must do something. We must help these children before they stop us. Let us go straight to solution.
I will handle them. Leave them for me. I will handle them by myself. Ebubedike. Ebubedike, will handle them by myself.
I trust you.
The great Dibia, the great lion of this land, I will handle them. I know that I told them some items to bring. I know that they cannot bring it.
Ogum.
Leave them for me.
Yes. We must stop these children.
Yes. I will stop them.
And you know what?
I will tell them.
We three here cannot fight alone.
Yes.
Think we still have Mazi Okonkwo
and Mazi Okeke, including
Igwe. So,
yes.
How do we send this message to them?
I have already informed them.
Okay. Oh,
yes.
Is your father at home?
Yes.
Okay, please call him for me.
Papa, somebody's speaking for you.
Oh, it's Una. Is it you? You're welcome.
Shukuri, you sent for me. That is Una, I sent for you. How is your people?
They are fine.
I can see. I overheard that Che, you are the chairman of youth.
Yes, sir.
Of this community, Abi?
Yes, sir.
I have overheard that you people are making plans on how to fight the corruption in this our community. Is that true?
No, actually, it's not really corruption.
Okay.
You understand? A lot of things has been happening in Okuno here.
Okay.
You understand? Nothing is going on again. The youths are not progressing anymore. Our sisters are all rotting in our parents' homes. Is it that they are not beautiful? They are beautiful and good wife materials. We the youths, we are not progressing. You understand? Even those that used to be in the city, Lagos, even overseas, they are all back in the village. Some are palm wine tappers. Some are bricklayers. Doing all some menial jobs. You understand? Okay. So now we decide to like take the bull by the horn and the fights our cause.
Izuna, that is a corruption.
Corrupt waiting.
Is a corruption. Is everywhere. Mara no na bu nwata iru ju ife mere nne. Ife mere nne emekwe.
Nah, I don't understand though. I don't know where you're coming from. We've decided to find a solution to our problem, our misery. This thing is as in we are seeing it as being in bondage. We are seeing it as if some people are the one responsible. So we need to fight against this thing.
Izuna, we elders are fighting against this particular something you are talking about. So you people should go and sleep.
Nah, I'm sorry, there is no going back. Nah, I don't understand what you are saying. I don't know where you're coming from. There is no need to. We have made all arrangements. We've concluded in everything. In fact, we've even gone to Lampstaketv.
What did Lampstaketv say?
Lampstaketv, we met him. He asked us to bring just chicken. You understand? You know he's a strong man. He asked us to bring just chicken and goats, and we've made arrangements for it.
Now you come. Okay, then who name ko mazurazu? Ana echebe na ala una na anu akpo. Lampstaketv can handle the situation.
We know now. That's why we went to him.
He can do it.
We know now.
If it's not Lampstaketv, don't go anywhere else.
We know.
Only focus on Lampstaketv. No. Izuna.
No.
Okay. I don't know. If you ask me, I will advise you to go back.
Go back.
Go back. Stop every arrangement on this issue. Just go back. Gente. Ochimiri nwata amaro na ode. Afifia sabune enu bu nwata zo nyuku na ori enya.
Nah, I don't understand though. I don't understand. There is no going back.
I would advise you to go back.
Every arrangement has been made. Lampstaketv have asked us to bring the required items, which include chicken and goats. Obelife, chicken and goats only that we can provide. So, I'm sorry. I was even doing something for my mother before your daughter. Is it okay that your brother's daughter came and call me, that you're calling me? I need to go back to help my mother and even my only sister self, that one. I don't know what you are saying, though. I never said Nina. If you're not cheap, I'm not sure if you won't go against Nina in a matter of year. Is it not get point? Won't go against Nina matter of year. There is no point, though. There is no need, though. There is no need. Every arrangement has been made. We have already made up our mind and there is no going back. Let me tell you something. There is no going back. There is no need.
It will only take us 20,000 naira to bring the man of God from the city.
Eh?
Huh?
Yes, 20,000
naira.
And where we will get such an amount of money?
Oh, Jom.
No, where am I go? I don't have money. Oh. I don't have money. Come to think of it, my only brother is very sick. I don't even have money for his medication. And you are here telling me to.
Me, I don't have either. I don't have either. But we will share it within ourselves. 2,500 naira each person. Yes.
See, I suggest we leave calling this man of God and wait for God to answer our prayers.
Oh, yeah. God to answer our prayers. But we've been praying since.
And so,
please, if you people are not ready, I am ready. This is farming season. We can go and look for people that will farm on their lands so that they will pay us.
Me, a farmer, because of husband, God forbid.
And again, that mazi that is building up there, we even need workers. We can go and work on his site. Me, and he will pay us 2,500 a day. That settles our problem.
What do you come now? Yeah, if we're going 2,500 daily pay.
Yes.
Each other nudi. You don't want marry. Please go 2,500 a day.
2,500 naira.
Don't mind
that. As for me, address me as Mrs.
Hey.
Okay.
Like this now. I saw that they have friends who they start nursing. I just one that they walk past now. What's that going to do?
Moon can move fast now. Just move like people in that middle.
Master, I'm not doing again. I'm not working again.
Touch us again. If you stop now, that means your money is gone. It is better you complete your work and have your money complete.
I say, you pay me my money. It's not gonna be. You will pay me my money.
See this one.
You don't want money. I don't want this boy Mario. Even though not the one who get one eye, I go Mario. See, let me tell you, if this is how to get married, the walk. There. When you reach 50 years, even old man no go marry you.
You people should come and carry this thing and stop backing like crazy bingos. My grandfather bought for Congo. And you they talk past. Come
even
and carry
this thing. Even though you reach 50 years, old man self no go accept you.
Hey, you shut up. Carry this.
Oh, I don't even know why old self before they find husband self.
Don't worry. When you reach 60, they will come marry you. Now 50, you still there. 10 years is still remaining for you. Aya, move fast. You never go belong one. Mama, mo de kuturu no you guys know what.
Mama Kosi. Bam.
Yes. Who is there?
Kosi. Please call your mother for us.
My mother is not around.
Oh, wow. And she didn't leave any message for us.
But he gave me money to pick for you people.
I almost fainted though.
Do you know, I almost died. You're talking
about
fainting.
I'm hoping on that money. I don't need to.
This is the money.
I hope it's complete.
Yes, it's complete.
Count it. How much? Is it complete?
It's complete.
I hope that you people did the work very well.
You can very well. Go on,
Thank you.
Because as you see me here, a man I'm all in the name of husband. Just look at us. We are suffering, carrying drugs because of husband. How am I sure this boy will pay us? He has been keeping us waiting. It's our money now. Where is the foreman to pay us now?
Natasha, you people have to exercise little patience. The foreman is said he's already on his way. He's already here. I have to know. People are done, right?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
Thank you.
I hope you will come tomorrow.
Yes.
Bye-bye. We will come tomorrow. Let's go. We'll come tomorrow.
America, Bukegio. Atulujo.
maka Chukwu nọnyere gị o. Chukwu zitere gị obodo ọkpụ nọ kịtọ ndị mmadụ na-agụ maka obodo anyị. Obodo ọkpụ nọ ihe ọjọọ juru n'ime ya. Atụrụ ụjọ Chukwu nọnyere gị biko rụwa ọrụ Chukwu maka na mmeri bụ nke gị o. Mmeri bụ nke gị o. Maka na mmeri bụ nke gị o. Mmeri bụ nke gị o. Maka na mmeri bụ nke gị o. Mmeri bụ nke gị o. Maka na mmeri bụ nke gị o. Mmeri bụ nke gị o. Chukwu bụ ike gị o. Ọkwa Chukwu bụ ike gị o. Chukwu